This is actually pretty decent.
He said, don't worry about the IDs. Like, alright, well, I got a phone.
It's a motherfucking, they may roll the window up.
I need fresh air, though. Well, I guess that's not fresh air, right?
You're getting fresh air and sand. Fresh sand. Hey, you want to put your mouth in this?
No. You want to put your mouth on this?
No. Wait, hold on. This is about to break into a different video. No shit, there it was. It Camp Buehring was.
This is Bang Bus.
Bang Bus.
Army style.
No, this is more like Marine style, buddy. We're starting tomorrow when you need them.
Yeah.
Brokeback Marines.
Yeah, motherfuckers liable to do some crazy shit.
Fucking neat shit.
My nuts! Yay!
Oh, here's Sergeant Preval eating his nuts.
Nuts in my mouth. Mmm. Yeah.
Who's gay?
Okay. Who was that? Who's gay?
Nuts in my mouth.
Hey, I think you got something dripping down the side there. Actually, you might want to wipe.
Oh, semen. Hey, are they moving the light? Oh no, the sand's moving the lights.
Did it get lighter? It certainly did.
Nah, the lights came on.
Okay.
They probably can't let us in, can they?
Nope. I certainly don't see him going to open the gate.
Shit, I'll pull up if I was you. I don't forgot to come tell me something.
I don't think he forgot.
No, he said pull up as far as you can.
No, I didn't. He said, I will be out here. If you see me go to the gate, then come.
That's what he said.
He said pull up as far as you can.
Look at that. Blew over that T-barrier right there.
Oh, shit. You see that, Sophie?
Mm-hmm. Told you.
Cement. But those are smaller than that big ass thing.